So, students, we are back to our uh, class today. We are in India, and from here today, let's see which continent can we go for. So, first, we would go to the coldest country, the fifth largest continent of the world, that lies in the southern hemisphere of the globe. It lies in the southern hemisphere, means it lies below the equator. Previously I told you equator passes through Africa, and you see here we have got Africa, and below Africa we have got Antarctica. So Antarctica lies in the southern hemisphere, and we all know that Earth has got two poles, North Pole and South Pole. And students, do you know that the South Pole of our world lies in Antarctica, and that's why it is a snow covered country. And you see, it is a white continent. It is white continent. It is the coldest, and since it is ice covered, no water can sustain in this continent. If the water becomes ice, that's why it is driest continent. All right, and it is considered to be a huge desert of ice. Huge desert of ice. Practically, no one can live in this desert. Nor you, nor I, and mostly no animals also can live in this continent. It is snow covered and dry also. That's why they say that this continent remains unaffected by the ruthless exploitation of nature by human beings. Why? Why does it remains ruthless, free from ruthless exploitation of human beings? Now, children, wherever we human beings will go, we will set up our house, our buildings, our factories, schools, colleges. For that, we need to do lot of destruction, kill animals, drill the ground and all. So make holes in the ground. That all is affecting our Mother Earth. Okay, and that's why we face earthquake, flood, drought. So that's why we say it remains free from the human exploitation. Now, this continent student, but in this continent students, though it is cold, we human beings are no less. Still, some of the countries, including India, we Indians also, including India, some of the continents like USA, Russia, we Indians, we already have set up research laboratories. And see, there is this type of research laboratories we set up. Go there and do various research. And you know what? Human beings think that since this continent is the least explored continent, it is a huge storehouse of petroleum, gold, and that's why they think they are so greedy. They try to drill holes and take out gold and pull out oil from the ground. But still, this continent has tried to keep itself safe, since it is all ice covered and very cold, very freezing. And only animals like whales, seals, penguins, etc. can stay there. Otherwise, no other animals. Yes, polar bears also can stay. polar bear also can stay, but mainly whales, seals and penguins stay there. Now see, this is the picture how this continent looks. This is the continent. You see, this is the place where we live. Look at the human beings, how they have exploited. You now see Antarctica, it is all empty, mostly empty, but still countries like Russia, India and USA, they have set up the research center over there. Okay.